Four big guys in Max supposed to pick up a ton of purple cubes. Big Banana grabbing some greens. Four big guys in Max has got four purple cubes lined up in there too. They grab another purple, making sure to spit out any greens they might accidentally collect in order to sort the cubes correctly. 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. And it looks like four big guys in Max has five purple cubes. And they managed to score 1, 2, 3. Three purple cubes. Four big guys in Max trying to line up another purple cube. And it looks like Big Banana gets two purples into that goal. Big Banana looking to put their greens in another goal in order to get that bonus. It looks like they barely miss it. All right, for qualification match 57, we have 4-0.